Hello, Mr. Devora. This is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So, just taking a look, I know your location is Suffolk. So, I just put in the generic flooring Suffolk, Virginia, because I was looking for your website I was getting a um, website not found. So, I decided just to look up generically. So, going into flooring, we're going to look at your GMB, which you want to be in the top three, but right now you are. There you are. And let's hit website. So the town square interactive. So now I know that the website is no longer up. So I'm going to be 100% honest. Um, it wouldn't necessarily be worth trying to rank specifically for Suffolk, just because there's not much volume around Suffolk, or not around Suffolk, but in Suffolk. So, what I would advise is ranking for Virginia Beach because that has the most search volume, and then having a location page for Suffolk, and then because your website is ranking for Virginia Beach, it'll roll over into your Suffolk as well, and that'll help you rank for that as well. Um, So let's check out what a great keyword, Byron, what a great word would be to search for Virginia Beach. And that would be flooring Virginia Beach. Straight up and simple. So the first thing that pops up is that GMB. I know you were on that for Suffolk. It would be a good idea to get it on for Virginia Beach as well, because 30 to 40% of all people will stop and pick one of these three people, because that's just the easiest thing to do. Then you have your organic rankings, and that's by strength of website. So let's check out what the top person in Virginia Beach is doing so well and why they're number one. So just looking at their website, they got a nice website. They got a nice header. They got their logo. They got a click to call so people can get on the phone with them as soon as they get to the website so they don't have to waste time. And then, of course, going down, they have all their different flooring options. And then, of course, their location. So they have a nice, simple website. What Google is truly looking for is a lot of content. I don't see a ton of words on this site. So tops, including all the different pictured words and stuff like that, you're looking at about 100 words, 200 words tops. But Google is truly looking for 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, just so you can put organic keywords in. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word that someone's putting into Google to find your service. For example, that flooring Virginia Beach. That's someone looking for flooring. So having that content and will allow you to organically put those in so Google can rank you for those. So let's take a look behind the scenes and see why this website is doing so well and see why Floors to Go. So we put it into a system called Ahrefs that allows us to take a look behind the scenes. And two things we look at are the UR rating, which is the strength of their website, and the DR rating, which is Google's trust in their website. So ideally, we want these both to be between 30 and 40. As you can see, 28 and 44 are still amazing. And the way they get that are with strong backlinks and referring domains. So what a backlink is any link from another website that leads back to yours. And of course, the referring domain is where the backlink from the other website is coming from. So all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be an awful link because that's super spammy. However, a backlink from a flooring blog would be awesome because that is relevant content. And another thing they're doing really well are those keywords. As you can see, they have 385 different keywords. So let's see which ones they're ranking for. So flooring Virginia Beach, 300 people search that a month. They're in the first organic position, as you saw, and they're getting 45 traffic out of that one keyword. Floors to Go, that's them. Hardwood Flooring Virginia Beach, 200 traffic. They're once again in the top spot, 26 traffic from that. And just going down, you can see because they're in the top spots, they're getting that traffic through their site. And they're getting that trust. So if we're looking to beat them out, first thing we got to do, I'm just going to go back to theirs, is of course build that website, get that content in So 1,500 to 2,000 words, so you can beat them out in content, so that you can put buyer intent words, as well as because you have that content and they don't, once you start building up those backlinks, strong referring domains, um, and you can always take theirs, those work. So that's always helpful in building your URDR because you can take theirs, add some strong ones on top of that, and boom, you're ahead of them. But once you do that, you'll start beating them out because you have this more backlinks, more referring domains, and more content on your site. And do that, you'll start getting more organic traffic through your site as well as more calls. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. Otherwise, if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. And you have a blessed rest of your day.